How to fix keeps turning down the volume in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it, and then here you can turn off your media volume limit. After turn off your media volume, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Now click on reset. After reset all the settings, then go back and click on erase all data, and then click on clear. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.